Hey guys, this is if you're having issues with your 2016 to 2024 Camaros, the Gen 6, basically if you replace your alternator and you replace your battery and you're still getting issues with the battery save mode or check charging system, something like that comes across the console in the car. Basically what you want to look at is the fuse for the alternator, which there is a fuse. It's a fuse bar. It's not the one in the back where the battery's at. This nice big red cable, it's a 350 amp, that comes up here to this fuse box. Basically what you want to do is come pull this cover off. This is going to be your alternator. This is coming from the back of the trunk. It's going to be to your starter. It's going to be to the others in the car. The one in the back, you got two of them hooked up. The other one is to your fuse box back in the trunk, but this one's for the front. Your alternator, after you replace it, if you're still having that issue, this is your alternator connection right here. And a good way to check to make sure this fuse bar is not messed up is doing a continuity check on it and see if you can hear sound. So I'm gonna start off positive lead. I'm gonna check all these other ones and I'm gonna hear. And we got sound, but we have none here. So nothing at all, no sound. So basically what this is, go ahead and take it apart. 13 millimeter for these two bolts. Take that bolt off, and this is your alternator cable right here. Put those to the side. Make sure before you do all this, disconnect your battery. You don't want to get shocked or you don't want to cause anything to bust. This is a 10 millimeter here. All right. I'm going to show you how these things work. There's two tabs. There's one here and then there's one right here. Where my finger's at. You're going to pop it up. To get these things out, there's a clip here, a clip here. You have to stick something underneath here to be able to get those tabs to push out. And then you got two little nubs in the back that clip in and hold this piece in. But I've already taken this apart and looked at it and checked everything. But here's your fuse bus bar. And there's your amp, 200 amp for your alternator fuse. This is your main power coming in to everything else. You got an 80 amp, another 200 amp, but that is not efficient enough for the alternator. 100 amp and another 100 amp. And since we checked continuity on them, we did not get nothing from this leg or any other leg. But if we touch the hot again, all these other ones are good. Basically what you need to look at, taking off the front cover, and you can tell right there is blown. Basically disconnected and blown, so it's no good anymore. So you have to order another one and replace it. You might can go on some eBay or some site that has another whole fuse box that you can salvage this piece off of, because this is what it's supposed to do for your continuity check. As you can tell, I should be able to make contact with all of them. Basically, it's going to go back in the same way you took it out. and once you get everything reconnected, you should be good, and your battery save mode and charging system should be working again with your alternator, and you will not have an issue with it again. If you have any questions or anything like that, you can hit me up. But this is the 6th gen Camaro find for the alternator fuse, and this is where it's located at. Y'all have a good day.